Okay, so I just got some of these stickers in from the manufacturer, and I want to show you these pins that I did too. Now let's keep in mind, I'm not sure if I talked to you guys on here about the order that I received late, and then it was somebody else's stuff, so that was already like a negative. I was really upset about that. I understand accidents happen, but this is my original artwork, and so somebody out there has my stuff, and I think that's what kind of aggravated me the most, is that I won't be able to get my things back. And especially right now, a time that's going around for voting, somebody could be passing these out and you wouldn't know who did it. Like, they could take credit for it or just be making profit off of something that I designed, and the manufacturer really didn't, I don't think they cared about it. Like, I don't know, I'm a designer, so I'm passionate about my work, and it's really upsetting just to know like this whole little thing got mixed up, and there were 2 other or either 3 other items that was in the package too that somebody got. So I don't know, I was just kind of sad about it, and there's nothing I can do. I'm sure those people didn't send their stuff, my stuff, back to the manufacturer. I'm just gonna throw their stuff away that I received. I don't know if it's inappropriate for me to show you what I got instead of my order. I would love to have my stuff back, so I'm sure that they probably want their things back too. But yeah, so this is just a sticker, just like the pen. It just says every vote matters. So I'm going to be selling these in my Etsy shop as well. And then this says hi cutie. It's a sticker, but I'm going to be turning this into a decal as well, so that you can put it on your mirror or on picture frames, like something to decorate your house with or office. And then these stickers just says women's equality every day. You'll be able to see it a little bit better once I take the plastic off of it. I think you've seen these already though, because I had already ordered a small order of these already, so these are just extra. And then this girl that says stay strong, I actually have a print of her in my Etsy shop, but now I ordered some stickers. So this is a sticker that you can have to put on your hydro flask, your laptop case, iPad, a mirror, anywhere actually that you know just like to do stickers. Or some people collect stickers too, so you don't always have to just put stickers on things, you can just collect them. And the pen, of course, that I'm going to be selling in my Etsy shop. I think these are so cute. The acrylic pens are, like, they might look small, but they're like the perfect size for like your bag, purse, briefcase, your jacket. You can even wear them. My daughter has one on her shirt right now, and it's like the perfect size. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Whenever I get the other bag in from my parents' house, they left it there, so I have to go pick it up. I'll show you the other 2 things. I think it's just a rainbow and something that says talking about your vibe during the day. I'm not sure. It's another sticker though, so I'll show you that in a little bit. All right, good morning, you guys. I was in a meeting for about 20 minutes, a design meeting with a client, and now I just got into my Etsy shop that I check daily, and then I realized that I had another sale, and they just bought 1 sticker because, as you guys know, I'm still doing the promotion of $2 stickers, so you just cover like the shipping fee. And so I just want to let you guys know it doesn't matter the size or the amount of your purchase. Like, I get happy with each one that I get. And so this one just ordered the sticker that says make time for you. It's like the self-care sticker. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like. This is it, the make time for you sticker. And this was actually just a print on my Instagram page, and then everybody was asking, the people that commented on it was saying that they wish they had it to, you know, so that they can put it in their house. So that's why I turned it into a sticker. I'm thinking about turning it into a magnet, but also like a small mini print that you can put on your wall or your desk. Let me just show you, like up here where I have these little things hung. I think that this would be kind of cute to have up here, just to stick with like a clothespin. So I think I might make into like a small square print. I did do some in the past where it was just a print, but the ones that I had, I've already given those all the way in previous orders. I always like to give something free in the order, and that's what I was giving out at the time, was just like a mini print that said make time for you, and I just don't have any more right now. But yeah, I think that'd be pretty cool. This order doesn't ship until a few days, but since it was only 1 sticker that they ordered, I think I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off today, just so that they can get it ahead of time. I'm in a bit of a little creative mood, so I went ahead and got this shirt that I bought like I think the beginning of the year, and I think I'm gonna make Marley a little t-shirt. So I'm about to hop over to my cousin's house, and so we can use her heat press, and she's gonna help me make this t-shirt. So I'll show you guys what it ends up looking at when we get done. Why is it blurry? Why? All right, the shirts are done. I just did one black one and one kind of gold one. This is gonna be for a bigger child, and then this one is for a smaller child. So I'm gonna give this one to Marley, and then this one will go to Elena. But I'm also gonna put these shirts in the shop because I think they're so cute. I just made it to what is it, Bozo's. It's like a catfish house. This is like the little shop where you can get fresh food here, but you can still sit down and order in here as well. But over to this side and around the corner is like a bigger restaurant where you can get like more options and bigger platters. And my mom was just trying to help me order my food, and I didn't know what to get. I'm so complicated. I ask so many questions, but I don't want to get something and then not like it. So I just end up telling her like not to worry about it. All right, good morning, you guys. I'm starting off this morning going ahead to pack some orders. My desk is really junky and unorganized, by the way, but I have some things that I need to get sent off that need to ship tomorrow, and some things have to ship Tuesday. So I'm just gonna try to get everything out on tomorrow because I don't like making multiple trips to the post office unless I just really have to. So I have 4 orders to go ahead and package. So I just realized I can't actually pack any orders right now because each order had one of the pins in it, and I don't want it poking through the regular mailer. So I need to go get some that has the bubble wrap inside of it, and that are maybe like a little bit longer in size instead of wide. So I'm probably gonna go to the Dollar Tree today, since that's like the only store that I'm close to that might have that. And if not, then I might have to take a trip to like the actual store and get something else, because I just don't want this to be in there and then it get it'll either tear like the paper, and that's just not what we want. So yeah. All right, so as you can see, my desk and everything is so unorganized. So I'm taking this time to go ahead and get all my stickers, magnets, and decals separated and try to bag them up just so they're a little bit more organized. I haven't been to the Container Store or visited online to see what I actually can find to help me organize this stuff. So I'm just going to sit here and try to do the best that I can. And you can just watch and see how I go about doing that. I have to just make the best out of what I have.
I don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like when you look at me directly in the eye with that perfect smile. And I don't like all the compliments you're always giving me. Is this even real? Cause I don't wanna be that girl falling hard and getting hurt, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. I don't like you, you know I like you, I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean I need to take my time with you. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. But I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, yeah, love you, yeah, hate you. I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh.
So that took a lot of time. I'm tired now, but I still have to go get some envelopes. So I guess I'm gonna do that and then get back to work after I take a break and probably get something to eat as well.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that.
We spent so much time getting that seafood and waiting. Like, we waited for almost 2 hours to get our food yesterday. So I was just over it and I didn't feel like getting anything from the store. So I just ran to Walmart and got some of these little bubble wrap mailers. I'm honestly not sure if it's any better than what I had to begin with. Just since it's short notice, like, I don't have time to order something from a vendor. So I'm just gonna have to use what I have. I don't know. I'm just gonna see if this will work. My concern was the pins, to try to see if they would fit in here and not like puncture the back. But if you can tell, like, the pin part is covered up by the little knob. Why is it not focusing? So it's not like actually a pin, like it's the backing is on it. So I think it should be okay. And I do have a roll of bubble wrap here anyway, so I can see how that's gonna work, and I'll show you guys as I do it. So when I was in the store and I was picking up these packing slips, I don't like that it already has the lines on it to like write the names in and stuff. But this is like not my style. I like to write my own stuff in, and this kind of just puts a limit on like the creativity. So that kind of sucks, but it's the best I could do. But yeah, I'm gonna go online and order some more boxes and slips, and when I do, I'll show you which ones I get, like the company that I go with, just in case you're out looking for somebody to use. I have a few suggestions that someone told me, so I'm gonna look those up and then I'll let you guys know as well.
It's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes.
Alright, it's been a long day, so I'm just about to wrap up for the night, brush my teeth, take my shower, and everything like that. I just realized that my toothbrush, the battery went out in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace that. I'm just showing you guys because I really do like this toothbrush. You just have to pop the bottom off, and then I'm going to wash my hands now since I just got done messing with that battery. And the replacement heads come with 2, and it was only for $10, so I thought that was pretty good. So I'm just going to do that really quick, and then I'm going to jump in the shower and maybe watch TV before I go to sleep.
Somebody wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my
in bed now, and I just decided to upload some things to Society 6, and then I might put some things on Redbubble as well. So that's what I'm doing now. They actually had something to update. I think it was just like a Galaxy phone case or something like that. So some of the designs that I already have on here, I just decided to do something simple, quick, and just do like some patterns, and that way it could just go straight up and I didn't have to edit it as much. So I'm going to do this for a little bit, and I think I'm going to journal as well while I watch TV, and then that'll probably be it for the night. So I'll see you guys later, and hopefully I have some new things for you coming in the next week.